more joy to the celebrant than a cake. In this time and age, one health precaution we practice is that we prepare our own food. But what about desserts? Don't worry because we got you covered, because today I'm gonna be teaching you 5 steps that you should master in making your own fruit cake using any butter cake recipe. Let's get started.
Make sure to separate egg whites from egg yolks carefully. Gradually add 1/2 cup of sugar when mixing the egg white. Wait until it thickens and becomes fluffy. We are aiming to have this kind of thickness. Remember that how well you mix the egg whites affects the texture of the finished product. Cream butter and 1/2 cup of sugar until the color lightens. Then add all the wet ingredients before the dry ones. Doing it gradually or by partition helps in incorporating all the ingredients into the mixture of the cake batter. This will give us the fluffy and moist texture we have all loved from butter cakes. Now, it's time to add the egg whites that we mixed earlier. Fold the egg white mixture into the batter and do it in one direction. While doing these steps, make sure to preheat the oven at 250 degrees Celsius. Then bake the cake for 40 minutes. And now, for the final step, our favorite part. This is when we get to express ourselves, to decorate. Using the cake frosting and fruits of your choice, decorate the cake however you want. But as for me, I want to use strawberries, kiwis, and grapes to achieve that festive look of the cake.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy and learn from this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!